Every day, without you even realizing it, your body is under siege. Tiny, invisible invaders, bacteria, viruses, fungi, are constantly trying to break through your defenses. These invaders are relentless, trying to find a way into your cells and hijack your body's machinery. But there's a powerful force at work, a shield that stands between you and these harmful pathogens. It's your immune system, and it's saving your life every single day. From the moment you wake up, your immune system is on high alert, constantly scanning for anything that doesn't belong. It starts with the physical barriers, your skin, mucous membranes, and the lining of your respiratory and digestive systems. These barriers are your first line of defense, designed to block pathogens from entering your body in the first place. If a germ does get through, say, through a cut on your skin or by inhaling airborne particles, your immune system is already waiting to deal with the threat. When a pathogen breaches these barriers, your body has an army of specialized cells ready to fight. The first responders are the phagocytes, white blood cells like neutrophils and macrophages. These cells are like the frontline soldiers in a battle, constantly patrolling the bloodstream and tissues, looking for anything that might be harmful. When they find a pathogen, they act quickly. They engulf and digest the invader, breaking it down in a process known as phagocytosis. These cells don't just destroy the invaders, they also send out signals to alert the rest of the immune system to the threat. At the same time, another group of immune cells, dendritic cells, are busy capturing pathogens and presenting pieces of them to other immune cells, especially T cells. These cells are crucial because they can recognize infected cells and trigger an immune response to eliminate them. But before this can happen, the dendritic cells must transport the pathogen's antigens to the lymph nodes, where they present them to T cells. The T cells then get activated and multiply, ready to fight the infection. Once a pathogen is detected, the immune system shifts into high gear. Helper T cells play a central role in this process, releasing chemical signals called cytokines that activate and coordinate the immune response. These cytokines recruit additional immune cells, amplify the attack on the invader, and help regulate the entire process to ensure that the response is efficient and targeted. These cells also help activate B cells, another critical part of the immune system. B cells produce antibodies, highly specialized proteins that are designed to recognize and neutralize pathogens. Antibodies can bind to the surface of a virus or bacterium, blocking its ability to enter cells and replicate. But the immune system doesn't just fight infections, it also has a memory. Once your immune system has fought off an infection, it doesn't forget. Memory cells are created to remember the specific pathogen that caused the infection. These cells linger in your bloodstream and lymphatic system, ready to mount a faster and stronger response if the same pathogen ever tries to invade again. This is why, after you've been exposed to a virus or bacterium once, your body often responds much quicker and more efficiently the next time you encounter it. Your immune system doesn't just deal with infections, it also has to handle situations where your own body is the threat. It must carefully distinguish between your own healthy cells and foreign invaders. This is a delicate balance. Sometimes, your immune system can make a mistake and attack your own cells, which is what happens in autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, or multiple sclerosis. The immune system might recognize its own tissues as foreign and mount an attack, causing chronic inflammation and damage to the body's own organs. But even in those cases, the immune system is trying to protect you, it's just been tricked. In most cases, though, it operates with remarkable precision. It can distinguish between the body's own cells and invaders, neutralizing threats without causing harm to healthy tissues. The adaptive immune response, the part of the immune system that learns and improves over time, is one of the most remarkable aspects of your defense system. This response is what allows your immune system to recognize and respond to a specific pathogen, even if it's never encountered it before. When you get vaccinated, for example, your body is exposed to a harmless version of the virus or bacterium. The immune system generates an immune response, including the creation of memory cells that will remember how to fight that pathogen in the future. So, the next time you're exposed to the real thing, your immune system is already prepared to launch a targeted attack. The immune system doesn't stop there. It also includes regulatory T cells, which help control the immune response to ensure it doesn't get out of hand. These cells act as peacekeepers, ensuring that the immune system doesn't attack the body's own cells or overreact to harmless substances like pollen or pet dander. If it weren't for regulatory T cells, the immune system could spiral out of control, leading to allergic reactions, inflammation, and autoimmune diseases. Your immune system is constantly learning, adapting, and evolving. Every time you encounter a new pathogen, your immune system adjusts and strengthens its defense mechanisms. It's a complex and dynamic process that takes place every minute of every day. Whether you're fighting off a common cold, an infection from a cut on your hand, or even a more serious illness, your immune system is working tirelessly to protect you. In addition to the basic cells and processes, the immune system has another layer of defense in the form of interferons, signaling proteins that help protect cells from viral infections. When a virus infects a cell, that cell produces interferons to signal to nearby cells that they should prepare to defend themselves. This is an early warning system that gives the surrounding cells a head start in defending against the virus. The immune system also plays a key role in cancer surveillance. Cancer cells can sometimes escape the immune system's watchful eye, but immune cells are also capable of detecting and destroying these abnormal cells. When cancer cells go undetected, they can grow and spread throughout the body, but the immune system is always on alert, looking for these abnormal cells and eliminating them before they can cause harm. Your immune system's ability to distinguish between self and non-self is one of the reasons vaccines are so effective. By introducing a small, harmless part of a pathogen into the body, the immune system learns to recognize it without causing illness. The next time it encounters that pathogen, it's ready to respond faster and more effectively. This is how vaccines protect you from diseases like measles, polio, and influenza, saving millions of lives each year. Throughout your life, your immune system is constantly adapting, learning, and growing stronger. The defenses it builds against pathogens aren't just limited to the infections you've faced, they also prepare you for the ones you haven't encountered yet. Every time you recover from an illness, your immune system learns a little more, getting better at recognizing, responding to, and eliminating threats. Your immune system is a complex, dynamic, and powerful force that keeps you alive every day. Without it, you would be constantly vulnerable to infection, illness, and disease. But thanks to this incredible defense system, you can go about your day-to-day life without worrying about the invisible threats that surround you. It's a hidden army that works tirelessly behind the scenes, and it's constantly evolving to keep you safe. The next time you feel a little under the weather, remember this invisible battle taking place inside your body, working around the clock to protect you.